Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to snooze chat notifications forever on the X app. If you've ever been overwhelmed by constant pings or just want to mute a specific conversation without blocking or leaving it, this update has made things much easier than before. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you receive your messages. Once the app is open, you'll notice the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the message icon, which takes you directly into your inbox. Inside your inbox, you'll see all your active conversations. Find the chat that you'd like to snooze. Instead of simply opening it, press and hold on that chat for a moment. A menu will appear with several options. Among them, you'll see the option to snooze notifications. Tap on it. Now here's the important part. Once you select snooze notifications, you'll be given a few different durations to choose from. These options usually range from short time periods, like an hour, all the way up to longer stretches. But if you never want to hear alerts from this chat again, just scroll down and choose the option labeled Forever. After you make your selection, the app will confirm that the chat's notifications are officially snoozed. From that point forward, you won't receive any pop-ups or sounds from that conversation, though you can still open it and check messages whenever you want. This method is especially useful if you're part of an active group that's always buzzing, or you simply need peace and quiet without leaving the chat entirely. And don't worry, snoozing notifications forever is not permanent. If you change your mind at any time, you can easily repeat the process, but instead of snoozing, just turn notifications back on. That's all it takes. Open the app, go to Messages, long press the chat, tap snooze, and choose Forever. It's that easy to take control of your conversations and keep only the notifications that matter most to you.